Hello everyone, this is Abbas here and you are watching my YouTube channel. This is Alaya AI project and this is cooperation with Turkey. This is Alaya AI and this is cooperation with Turkey. Dear viewers, this is Alaya AI cooperation with Turkey. Friends, this is Alaya AI cooperation with Turkey. This is Alaya AI cooperation with Turkey. Friends, this is Alaya AI cooperation with Turkey. So dear friends, let's start the review of the project, and this project name is Alaya AI, and you can see friends it's Twitter and Medium and Gitbook from here. After that you can see an open AI Web3 AI data platform inspired by the Swarm intelligence ecosystem. Become a part of the Web3 AI revolution. You can start your journey from here, and also they have their own app on the Google Play Store. You can get from there. You can see the total registration. The total registration user are very good, and also and their daily active users are about 200 million, and you can see their daily on-chain transactions are very good. So friend, the AI industry landscape, AI is quickly becoming the part of the everyday of the light, but AI data channels and training resources are gated by the tech giants and remain largely legally and incredible in the general public. So friends, Alaya AI involves solve their problem by creating an open AI data platform to provide everyone with the opportunity to contribute AI training data and build open Web3 AI ecosystem regardless of their technical background. So friend, if we talk about their chart, you can see their growth, industry growth here, and they are very good in 2023, and then 2024 you can see they have very good growth showing, and after that they are a long term project going to 2028 and 2030. So friends, the growth of the project is very good, and 738.76% they will grow their industry. So friends, this is the whole story of the Alaya AI. If we tell about their Alaya, with the Alaya AI you can explore the Alaya AI simplifies decentralized AI services through an engaging GameFi UI, tokenized and incentives that anyone can access. After that, you can see their token and NFT incentives and distribution communities, and enhanced privacy and intelligence optimism. And you can see their Swarm intelligence and automatic labeling models also. So friend, as well as you can see their more about the project in their website, how Alaya AI works. This Alaya AI consent and model and developers with the individuals AI data provides that through a GameFi platforms supported by Web3 communities and token NFTs incentives. How they work, they have AI model developers in the Alaya AI. This the customer requirements and the quality assessments they send to their customers. After that, the AI data algorithm assistant task arbitrum and simple sample collection and the innovation. So friend, like this there are work AI model developers, Alaya AI and AI data communities, though, so they are the bridge between their customer and the communities. Alaya AI connects communities data AI through social commerce, providing AI industry with high quality scalable data and full protection of its ownership and privacy. So friends, if we talk about their categories, they are general task categories: objective recognition, visual perception and text inspiration. After that, specialized in task, expert knowledge, niche substructures and non-standard dialects. And after that their advanced tasks, you can see multi-layers advanced. They are working in the quarters in the 2023 and 2023 and 24. They are the quarter 3 and quarter 5. You can see RLH sample and modules and enhance godless and approximate knowledge communities etc. So friend, Alaya AI basically best project become their knowledge provider. You have email address, you have wallet, you have social media, you can claim your NFTs here and work with that. Basically best project, if you work here you will also earn a lot of money from their game and also from their project. If you like our video, please hit the bell icon and also press it to the all so you can see all the notification from here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Their games, you can see here is their game. Yeah, this is their game, friends. How to begin their game? This is Arbitrum or Open BNB. If you have OP BNB or Arbitrum, you can play their game and earn money from here. Simply put your email address here and click on the send button. When you click on the send button, they will send an OTP on your email address you given here, and after that you write your OTP code here and click on the sign up button. So your account will be created, and like this that you will start your work from here. So friend, we have already made our account here, so we will tell you how you do your work here. So friends, first of all put your email address here. So friends, after successful login, you can see the interface like here. You can upgrade your account from here, and efficiency and capacity and profits from here. And here is the upgradation. You can click on the plus button and upgrade your account here. This is like the game you can work here from. And after that there are the settings and more things there. You can set your passwords and mail etc, and after that you can see your more things about the project here, their Discord, and there also have many things here. You're loading, you can go to advanced, normal, and rare and classic if you and all their games here. So friend, if you play your games there, you can earn a lot of money from there. After that we will tell their social media and tell you more about it. They are good Twitter on here, Alaya AI, and their daily posts on here. Alaya AI is open, compose, Web3 data sampling and auto labeling AI features, and you can see their posts on the main choice here. And after that their daily posts they are sending here, their Merry Christmas and about the more projects and support zone. And you can see the Alaya AI is the best project, and it's has a great community. The holiday season here, don't miss your chance to share 1400 USDT rewards, and they are giving many more from to people from here. If you choose this project, you will also you will get more and more money from here. So friends, if we go again to the website and tell you more about this, do you have an email address, do you have an wallet, do you have an social media? If you have these three things, you can become the part of the Alaya AI and claim your Alaya AI NFT from here. And this is very simple from here. And this is their social media, their Telegram, their Medium, and also their, if you tell you about their Medium, they have many posts on the Medium here, and you can you can learn more about the Alaya AI here. So friend, you will also join their Twitter, and will also always tell you about the Twitter, and you can see their Twitter is very good, and the community is very good. So this is the whole story of the Alaya AI project. And this is also we have told you this is the cooperation with Turkey, and this is also the cooperation with Turkey Alaya AI, and this is cooperation with Turkey. So friends, very good project, very good interface of the website, and you can see Medium and Gitbook and their Getbook and their also Telegram here. You can start earning from here, switch to their game, and if you want to earn money from here, record your Alaya AI and earn a lot of money from here. I hope the today project you have Alaya AI you will like, and if you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you can see more videos about this project from our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.